How to remove songs from Instagram posts on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can remove songs from your Instagram post on iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to remove songs from your Instagram post on your iPhone, so let's say that you have the Instagram application, and then if you go to the profile page, and then I'll show you one of my posts. This is actually a picture, but because I added music to it, this has become a part of a video, and then you can see that you have the music that you added right at the top of the post. So you want to remove this song without having to delete the post, but keep in mind that you cannot actually do that, because if I tap on the three dots icon over here, you'll be able to find that I do have the option to edit or archive or whatever else. But if I tap on the edit option, I don't have the option to remove that specific song. I can go ahead and tag people, but I cannot go ahead and remove the song. The only thing you can actually do is simply try to delete this post, because this post has already been converted into a video. So you're talking about something that has already been converted into a video. Just remove the music and it'll be converted back into pictures again. No, you cannot actually do that. All you can do is you can actually mute it though by just tapping this little mute icon from the bottom right, and then if the other person or the person who is actually viewing this has the mute icon enabled, they'll not be able to listen to the music that you've added. But just in case, you have to understand that you do not have the option to directly go ahead and remove the song just like that. The only thing I'd recommend, however, is just tapping on the three dots, go to delete. If you have not received any type of likes or maybe comments, then I'll just recommend you try to delete them and then try to repost it again, because that's the only thing that you can actually do. Hope this video answered a question. Hopefully in the future Instagram will be able to update this feature, because many people seems confused right now. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.